Kading kabelaklang jorba kelayo penjulur ikin nyotri kedukan kebadan Last Stop Laban. Kani kelaji hakapor kumba prash teng janmit rong kasantrik nailar. Kakubor kebayok lum kayathu kajing kem ding kalak bantay na kajing tut ke boarding elektrik. Hakawe ni kita kedukan pat por sekiwe kiwe pat kedukan kebadan marsenda. Kini kedukan kikentup ya kedukan dia do jor dukan kapsnyo dukan sha pat kiwe kiwe. Layat hu ru paha kapor bakem ding keladon ru kajing bethe jung ki tendong le air shed jing shan kabalapan kelang shushu ya kading ki polit katnat fire and emergency service ki balayo jing tip halor kani kajing ja hilalet marmar ban penlep no ya kading kebalaklang.
Yeah, one Mr. Subhasis Chaudhary, a local person from Last Stop Laban area only. He called me through his personal mobile on my personal mobile at around 2 minutes past 9 p.m. Okay, that there is a fire at Last Stop. Immediately, we have received the call from our fire service headquarters also, and we have activated our vehicle. And in the meantime, I have activated my another vehicle from Shillong Fire Station, my counterpart. So both these vehicles they arrived within 3 minutes, 3.5 minutes, and when we came here within 5 minutes we controlled the fire. We controlled the fire, and say around after 20 to 25 minutes we have managed to extinguish the fire. There are 6 to 7 shops as of now. Two archery counters, to one this food palace, and then one vegetable shop, and one saloon. Saloon is okay, no damage is there, and only the structures is partially damaged, not fully damaged. And again, you will be asking me the cause of fire. So I have no comment on that sound which occurred, because when we came here, we saw the structures was already on fire, and we started firefighting. There was no sound when by the time we arrived here. No loss of life, no injuries, and no major damage. It's a small fire. We categorize it small fire.
Actually, we found that there is a fire. So CRPF is deployed over here for law and order duty, as you know that. So here we found that there is a fire. So our troops responded immediately and took the situation into the control. So CRPF is always for the people, and always they are there to help the people in all the situations. Like here in the fire situation, our troops responded immediately.